Boom! DreamView G1 gaming lighting system that will transform this ordinary computer desk setup into a gaming setup. Whether you're gaming or watching movies, it's gonna be an immersive lighting experience like no other. Let's go unbox. Boom, boom, whoa, check it out. The user manual and the quick start guide. Boom, look at that. We got some lights right here. Boom, this is the camera. So this camera will mount right back here, and it will see what colors on the screen and project it on the light. It's gonna be sick. AC adapter. Boom. This one allows you to capture the audio, and not only does it sync to the video, it also syncs to the audio. Isn't that crazy? So these are the brackets right here. We got all these brackets that help us install the light behind the monitor. Now that we have attached all these pieces around the monitor, it's time to put the GOVEE lights on. What you do is you attach this. It holds very securely. So we go full circle. Next thing is we got the little camera and adhesive down here. Take out the adhesive as well. And we can stick this right on here and let the camera look at the monitor. There, you get the USB, plug it in there. Yeah, the audio, if you want to sync with audio, you can connect this to your computer, and that's the 3.5mm output jack right there. This AC plugs into the back there and powers on. AC adapter, plug it in. Whoa, look at that, the light just turned on. I think we got some effect there. So this is the GOVEE app. Let's go ahead and set up the G1 gaming light. Try some different scene modes right now. Look at that, look at that. So see all the lights around the monitor. We have different effects right here. We have the party mode. Oh wow, look at that. Look at the party mode right there. Dance mode, very cool. So different modes of lighting you can pick right here. There we go. You see how the colors match the animation? So there's some minions right there. There's some purple, there's some pink, there's some sky, there's some blue. Heart patterns. You see the lights right there? Boom. Oh wow, do you see that? This is like in the mood. You got purple and you got blue on the top. It matches the scene. Very cool. Oh wow, look at that. There we go. There we go. Some purple, some red. The GOVEE light right here captures the colors that's on your screen and projects it in the lights behind it so that you have a very immersive experience. Whether you're gaming or watching a movie, you're very immersed into whatever you're watching. It's pretty awesome. The GameView G1 from GOVEE. These things are awesome. Oh yeah.